Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun. In this one, I'm showing you a sofa. Generally, what you see, straight sofas or little curved sofas, but this one is an entirely curved unit as per the client's requirement. This one is 8 feet out and out, and if you take the total area, the width of the sofa, because it has got curves, it'll cover 3 feet of area on the floor. Back height is 32 inches, a comfortable height. I'll explain about the back height also and what is the concept. First, the design part, made in teak wood, champagne honey finish. If you see the highlights, that's in honey finish. Along with the sofa, we have two puffies and a round table. It can work as center table or it can also work as sitting unit. I'll show you about this one also. Let's first see this one. Mostly I've shown you the units with the back design because our furniture is called Maharaja furniture, royal furniture, premium furniture, and Maharaja furniture basically is the one that has got a crown at the back. So crown makes it the Maharaja unit, but this one is Chester kind of design, though it has curve, and this has its unique benefit. The benefit is when you're sitting, you can stretch your hands like this and you can really be comfortable. Mostly in all the sofas, when you are sitting, you have a handle here and you get support for one hand like this, but this one you can stretch your hand here as well, and these are for longer sittings. When you are sitting for a couple of hours, more than that, these units are really comfortable and wide as well. Quite nice space. I'm sitting in a corner, you can see the entire space here. I can sit on in the middle like this, as you can see how much space I'm getting. So this is the comfort of the Chester, and this is how the Chester is done. You can see here, and along with this, what I have is a centerpiece. This one can work as a table. Once you place a glass on top of it, this can work as a table also, or if you want to use it for the sitting purpose, you can use it for sitting as well. It's the same from all the sides. 360-degree carve. You can see the carving here, and a complete unit, and a unit made in teak wood with a nice fabric steel gray color as selected by the client. Along with this, I have got two puffies. This one is 3.5 feet round, 18 inches high, and these puffies are 18 inches round, 18 inches high. And puffies are a very good thing. You can move it anywhere. You can place them anywhere, very light. The kids can easily use them. They can pull it anywhere and sit, and they can be used as a separate unit also. We have 4 units of these along with this sofa, but I'm showing you two for the ease of putting it. So 2 units here and a nice sofa here along with a centerpiece. Choice wala furniture, as I always tell you, because everything that we are making is as per the client's requirement. You can see so many units at the back, so much furniture. We have got different chairs and jhulas are sitting and temples and everything. Everything that you're looking at here in the showroom is made on order. This is all client's furniture, nothing is mine, and everything has a different color, pattern, fabric, design, and number of seats, because we make what you want, nothing from our side. The colors, you want to change the color to natural finish or darker finish, or you want something like a antique gold or silver or white or off white or triple shade or dual shade, or something in leafing, gold leaf, silver leaf. We are doing everything. This one is champagne finish with the honey finish, honey highlighting, and this is what we do. Apart from that, a few things about Aarsun. Aarsun is an international trademark registered in 35 countries. We are delivering to more than 57 countries now, and everything is made to order. The best part is factory price, because we are delivering right to your home, straight to your home from here. There is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent. So you always get the best price when you're dealing directly with the Aarsun. And the quality and brand name of Aarsun that lasts for decades, not years, but decades. So this is what we are doing. So much to show you, so many items on the website, on YouTube videos, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all the social media channels. You can find Aarsun. Just type Aarsun on Google and let us know what you want, how you want it, in your design, your pattern, colors, fabrics, everything as per your choice, at factory price, delivered right to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.